Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this green line problem in your Samsung devices like this. How you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start. By swiping down you have to use two fingers like this and then tap one time to draw this blue line and now phone is open. You have to just click on the setting option one time to select it and double tap to activate this like this.
Settings. Accessibility.
Then you have to just go to the accessibility.
Settings.
Here it is a setting. Go to accessibility. Double tap. Then there is a talkback feature. Double tap. Then you have to off by here.
Off. Turn on. TalkBack off.
You can see friend, your talkback is off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.